Hi, my peach room friend. This is Miss Khurshid. How are you? I hope you are all good and enjoying the weather, walking outside and playing outside a little bit. It's very nice outside. You know what? I'm going to read this book. Who took the cookie from the cookie jar? Who, look at this raccoon. He's looking the cookie. He's looking, he wants to eat. Maybe that's why he's looking in the jar. So who took the cookie from the cookie jar? Who took the cookies from the cookie jar? Who took the cookies from the cookie jar? Is like no cookies, empty. Let's go find out. We're going to find out who took the cookie from the cookie jar. Who took the cookie from the cookie jar? The jar was full. Where did they go? Now I know. Mouse took the cookie from the cookie jar. Where is the mouse? You think mouse going to eat cookie? Let's go find out what mouse is going to eat. Who me? Could be. Please don't tease. I ate cheese. Mouse eat cheese. Then who took the cookies from the cookie jar? Where did they go? Oh, now I know. Raven took the cookie from the cookie jar. Who, me? Ravana says, who, me? Says, who, me? Could be. Don't scream. I ate worm. Then who took the cookie? The jar was full. Where did they go? Oh, now I know. Squirrel took the cookie from the cookie jar. Look at the squirrel. What? Who, me? Could be. I munch nuts for lunch. Squirrel eat the nuts, not cookie. She doesn't like cookie. I think so. She likes the nuts. Then who took the cookie? The jar was full. Where did they go? Oh, now I know. Rabbit. Rabbit took the cookie from the cookie jar. Who, me? Could be. Must hop. He was just hopping. Never stop. Just hopping. Then who took the cookie? The jar was full. Where did they go? Oh, now I know. Turtle cooked the cookie from the cookie jar. He says, who, me? As you know, I'm much too slow. He's very slow. Then who took the cookie? The jar was full. Where did they go? No. Now I know. Raccoon took the cookie from the cookie jar. Who, me? Could be that crazy. I am too lazy. Raccoon is so lazy. Then who took the cookie? The jar was full. Where did they go? Oh, now I know. Snake took the cookie. Look at the snake, so big. It's big, very big. And Snake took the cookie from the cookie jar. Who, me? Could be. I am stuffed. He's so stuffed. Look at this. Can hardly speak. I ate an antelope last week. Then who took the cookie? The jar was full. Where did they go? No, now I know. Beaver took the cookie. Beaver took the cookie from the cookie jar. Who, me? Beaver had a stick. I don't think so. He's going to eat cookie. What he is doing? He lives in the water. Let's go find out what he's doing. Who, me? Could be. My favorite snack is stick and steak. Oh, he's eating steak. Then who took the cookie from the cookie jar? Where did they go? Now I know. Frog took the cookie from the cookie jar. Look at this frog. Who, me? Could be. Surprise, surprise. I like nuts and dragonfly. Look at this dragonfly. He's eating the dragonfly. Then who took the cookie? The jar was full. Where did they go? Oh, now I know. Ants took the cookie from the cookie jar. Look at this ant, so small. Maybe they liked cookie very much. That's why he took all cookie. You are right. It is true. But there is enough for all of us. To you, we left a trail to show the way. So eat your cookie, then let's play. The end. Bye, Peach Room friend. See you next time. Hope you are all okay.